Today, we're visiting one of the most talked about restaurants in Kuwait, the Lazy Cat, where they're known for their signature dishes like the Japanese fluffy pancake, the lazy egg pastrami, and we're gonna put this restaurant to the test, from the first impression to the final bite. Let's see if everything that they're talking about on the streets is worth the food, worth the time, and worth the money. What's happening? I am Chef Carlos Woods. Welcome back in the kitchen again. Flavors of the world, Chef Choice. Where we travel the globe, one plate at a time. Today, we're here at the Lazy Cat. This restaurant is known for its Japanese fluffy pancakes, their egg cat pastrami sandwich with those fresh chips that they have, homemade, to die for good. So, enough about the restaurant. Let's head inside, see what they got. Let's go. Every great meal starts with an experience. Let's see what this place has to offer. As soon as you walk in, you immediately notice that it's laid back, the decor is bright, vibrant, and the atmosphere is the place to be. This restaurant has a casual, friendly family place where you can just come, have a nice meal, enjoy yourself, and dine in. The food has arrived. Let's see what we got right now. We got these fluffy pancakes. Look at that. Soft, nice, the texture. Ooh. Let's dive in. Let's go. See that fluffiness is soft, the texture is nice. Let's try it. You taste the airiness in it. It's fluffy, melts in the mouth. Not too sweet. Very good, very flavorful. Take another bite. These raspberries, blueberries. Let's go. It's outstanding. Can't beat these best pancakes. Fluffy Japanese pancakes. Can't beat it. For our second dish, we got the signature lazy egg pastrami. Look at that. See the egg, see the pastrami bacon. They got some Swiss cheese on there. See that pastrami. Let's go. That pastrami, and you taste the flavor. And that Swiss cheese, give it that sharp cheddar taste with that fluffy egg, a little bit runny, not too much. This is a signature dish to try. This is one to try. This is the perfect time to wash everything down with the dragon fruit drink. Let's go. Let's dive in. Oh, fresh. Taste that freshness of the fruit, dragon fruit, the orange juice mix. Oh my goodness, this needs another one here. This needs another sip. Lazy Cat, you done outdone it. This is nice. A great restaurant isn't only about food. Service plays a huge role in the overall experience. Today, the staff was amazing, friendly, attentive, and knowledgeable of what we wanted of the menu, and also professional. Every interaction helped shape the great experience I had here at the Lazy Cat. If you're planning to come to the Lazy Cat, here's what you can expect. The atmosphere is perfect. It's friendly, family-oriented, families, date nights, friends, business, lunches, and simply just to enjoy the great food and the great atmosphere. Hey, the Lazy Cat, 10 out of 10. Off the top. Food, everything. That wraps up another episode of Back in the Kitchen Again, Flavors of the World, Chef Choice. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you never miss an episode. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube at I Am Chef Carlos Wood for more food reviews, travel adventures, and cooking content. Until next time, keep exploring, keep eating, and I'll see you in the next kitchen.